Hey, this is Sandra Gailey with the Jason Whittle team of RE/MAX. I just want to remind everybody that March 20th is the first day of spring, so you've got about 30 days. Find your house, close your house, and start living the lake life. I've got a great property to show you today, but first, take a look at this view. You might mistake this home as new construction. It is completely renovated, top to bottom, new roof, septic, and this gorgeous custom kitchen with custom cabinetry, tile work, KitchenAid appliances. It's a beauty. So if you'd like to take a look at this gorgeous home, give us a call, 1-800-836-2005, and we'll take care of you. Have a great day.